हेलो एवरीवन। मैं आपका दी हॉबिस्ट। अभी रिसेंटली मैंने एक प्लेस को विजिट किया। बीइंग एन एनिमल लवर, आई ऑलवेज चूज अ प्लेस टू विजिट दैट मस्ट बी रिलेटेड टू बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स और फिशेस। ये जो प्लेस में अभी जिसके बारे में आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, इट्स वन ऑफ द स्टनिंग प्लेसेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, आई कैन से। Basically related to a fish, this place is very popular for dolphins. This is actually a part of Chilika Lake that is situated in the east coast of Odisha. इसकी जो एक्सपीरियंस है, ये मैं अभी आपके साथ इस वीडियो में शेयर करने वाला हूँ। आइए, लेट्स एंजॉय। पुरी। Puri is a coastal city famous for Jagannath Temple, Rath Yatra, pristine beaches, and vibrant cultural heritage. अभी हम पुरी के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे. Rather, there is a place called Satapura. Satapura is a town located at the southeastern end of Chilika Lake in Odisha. Known for its scenic beauty, it is a popular tourist destination, especially for dolphins and boat rides. Satapura offers a serene environment, rich biodiversity, and a unique glimpse into Odisha's coastal and aqua life. Lately, I had an opportunity to visit this place. I am gonna share my amazing experience with you in this video. If someone is planning to visit this place, then the most important thing, the first question come to his mind is how to reach there. तो अब हम बात करेंगे कि इस लोकेशन को विजिट करने के लिए क्या क्या रूट्स अवेलेबल है. Suppose if you are traveling from other cities or states, suppose other states, then you have the option of train and by flight. The nearest station is Puri, railway station is Puri, and the nearest airport is Bhubaneswar. If you are guys traveling within Odisha, then you have the option of train and by bus. Even if you are traveling from Andhra, West Bengal, then you have the option of bus as well, apart from train and flight. Now let's discuss about the best time to visit. The months from October to March, precisely November to February, are widely considered the best time. During this period, the winter is cooler and more comfortable, less heat, less humidity, which makes the boat rides and outdoor activities much more pleasant. It is also a prime season for spotting the resident dolphins in the lagoon and for bird watching, which adds to the attraction. अब हम बात कर सकते हैं कौन से पीरियड में हम थोड़ा कॉशियस रहेंगे इन विजिटिंग दिस प्लेस. द फर्स्ट वन इज मानसून सीजन, बेसिकली जून टू सितंबर. This is less favorable, heavy rains, rougher waters, risk of boat cancellations, etc. etc. And the other one is high summer, April to May. It can get hot and humid, which may reduce comfort for long outdoor excursions. The temperature chart shows high maximum in April and May. Which time of the day is the best time to visit dolphins? For dolphin watching, early morning soon after the sunrise are best. Calm waters, better chances of sighting. And other option is if you stay later in the day, late afternoon can also be good, especially for the scenic views of the sea where the lake meets the sea. अगर हम इसका समरी बनाएं तो हमें यह मिलता है. The first point, plan your visit between November and February for the best overall experience. The second option is choosing a morning boat ride for maximum chance of seeing dolphins. Third point is avoid heavy monsoon months or very hot summer if you want comfort. The point number 4, pack a light jacket or sweater since morning evening can be cool. Rajhans Island, a serene gem in Chilika Lake, where golden sands, migratory birds, and calm waters create an escape into nature's untouched beauty. Chilika Mouth or Sea Mouth, where Chilika Lake meets the Bay of Bengal. Watch waves collide, dolphins play, and nature blends saltwater with freshwater in a mesmerizing, ever changing coastal spectacle. Nalabona Bird Sanctuary can be termed as a heaven within Chilika Lake, where thousands of migratory birds gather, painting the wetland with life, sound, and breathtaking natural beauty each winter season. Hello everyone, welcome back. Now it's time to bid adieu, Satapada. We are at the last part of our video, that is the conclusion, and we say goodbye to Satapada with full of rich experiences like playful dolphins, calm waters, natural beauty, etc. etc. I must say, it's an experience of a kind for a lifetime. I wish I could visit again this place, as it is one of the most memorable visits of my life. Being an animal lover, I always love to visit places that must be related to animals or birds or fishes. And this experience will stay forever. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and follow my channel. And if possible, do visit Satapuda. Thank you.